Ow! Jump scare.
In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to detangle your hair for beginners. I'm going to share with you guys a technique, the only one that you need to make wash day so much more easier. As you can see, my hair is going through it, and if you have natural hair, you know that some days we just don't want to do our hair. It has resulted in my hair being dry, matted, brittle. I've just been putting my hair in a bun because I'm just like, I am over it. If you can relate, click the like up button. But as you can see, we are going to transform this hair. It's going to look so much better by the end of this video. Now, if you have coily hair like me, curly hair, I'm going to share with you the only technique you need to make wash day so much more easier. You're going to thank me by the end of this video. I'm just giving you guys a hair tour of my hair because it needs some TLC. Overall, guys, I'm going to share with you guys the number one thing that you need that I feel like a lot of people miss out on, and is this comb. Comb here is a wide tooth comb. You can get this at beauty supply stores or even Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree. They sell them in different colors and designs. They're cute. Anyways, they are wide. Do you see why they're called wide tooth combs? The tooth of the combs are wide and separated. Now, if you have natural hair, you have coily and curly hair, this is the only comb you should be using in your hair for detangling. This comb will make detangling so much more easier, and it will not hurt. And I think that's the reason a lot of people do not want to wash their hair, is because it hurts. And the only reason why it's hurting is because you're using combs with fine tooth and they're very close beside each other. And I'm showing you guys it doesn't break either. It's very sturdy, which is necessary for our type of hair. This is the only hair detangling tool I want you to have. I'm sharing, do not detangle your hair dry. Do not listen to what anyone else says. Do what works with your hair. With my hair, the best way for me to detangle my hair is wet. It's the easiest way I can manage my hair, so do what works for you. And I would recommend almost everyone watching this video to detangle your hair wet. I also have an in-depth video of me detangling. Go watch that. And I'm just showing you guys my scalp. It needs some love. We're going in the shower. We need to moisturize the scalp. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to detangle the hair. Do not do it dry. As I reiterate again, you're going to hate it. You're going to rip out your hair. It's going to hurt. And don't go in with the spray bottle. You're just wasting your time. Honestly, go in the shower and wet your hair. And I'm showing you, don't use any other tools except the wide tooth comb, as I told you guys to do. Anyways, let's go into the shower. We're in the shower, and I'm showing you guys that this is not my traditional way of washing my hair. I have a lot of wash day routines, but since my hair is matted, I have to go in with conditioner first and saturate my hair in water. So it's a little bit backwards, but then we start from shampoo later on in the video. So I'm going in and ensuring that my hair is fully wet. My hair takes forever to get wet and takes a lot of water. So as you can see, that the water is just on my hair, but it's not penetrating and soaking in the hair. So it's on it. So I have to be underneath the water for a while, guys. So step number one, wet your hair. Wet as wet it can be. Don't damp it. Don't spray a little bit of detangling spritz. Soak it, saturate it in water. And as you can see, my hair is already coming apart. So this is a little technique. A lot of people would say, oh, don't detangle your hair in the shower. Your pores are open and it rips out your hair. That's fine. Hair will grow back. I need to make my wash days a little bit easier. So now you're going to go in with a conditioner. The brand does not matter. That's why I didn't show you guys. I just want you guys to go in with any conditioner. Conditioner helps with softening your hair and making it more manageable so you can detangle the hair. So as you can see, I am squeezing it and I'm putting a lot. As I said, I have thick hair. It takes a lot for my hair to be saturated, as you can see with the water. Even some parts of my hair are still not that wet, but I am putting so much conditioner in my hair. Step number two, go in with any type of conditioner you want and saturate and soak your hair in the conditioner. As you can see, I'm going all the way around. We're so used to putting conditioner just in the middle of our hair. No, flip your head over, put conditioner on the perimeters, on the inside. Ensure that you're bringing it down to the ends of your hair, that your hair is fully saturated. Now, this will ensure that wash days are 20 times more easier. And I know you guys want an easier wash day, and I'm here to help you. I realized that I have to make the conditioner sit in my hair for a while. And then I was like, wait, I need to. And I was like, you know what? This is not a wash day, a full wash day. You guys go watch my full wash days for different things that I do. But look, so far it's not that much. But when we start detangling, with the wide tooth comb, more of the dead hair and hair that was just tangled will come out, which is fine. Okay, I went in with more because I was like, no, this was not enough for me. Literally, I can go through a bottle of a conditioner in a short amount of time because of my hair just requiring a lot just for it to be saturated. So I'm ensuring that I'm focusing on my ends and throughout my hair. Some fell on my, it's literally the same process, but I really want to share with you guys. This is the magic trick that a lot of people are not sharing with you guys. It's wetting your hair completely, putting conditioner in it, make sure your hair is lathered in conditioner. So the next thing I'm going to do is ensure that the conditioner sits in my hair for at least a few minutes, and you guys are going to see the complete difference from when I come onto the screen next. So let's let it sit, and then we're coming right back. So as you can see, I'm back. My hair looks so much more healthier. It looks moisturized. It's because the conditioner actually had time to settle in. And look, my hair can actually go apart and my fingers can run through my hair even without me detangling it. It works. And a lot of people don't realize this. It's a little trick if you have coily hair like mine, if you have curly hair, if you feel like you're lazy and then your hair gets tangled a lot, this technique is for you. Share this video so far if you guys are finding it useful and helpful, because I know this will help some people. I know you guys said on my last video for detangling, for afro hair, you guys really found it useful because maybe some of you guys are younger and you guys don't have help at home. I am here to help you. I don't mind. So look, isn't this a complete difference from before? I think it is. My hair is fully soaked and I feel like the matting actually dropped out of my hair too. If you can see that it's still stuck together, but it's not as before. Nothing a little water and conditioner can't do, right? Anyways, let's go into step number 3. Step number 3 is the handy dandy comb. I brought a hair tie in case you're someone who wants to section off your hair based on the hair tie, but I don't do it because I'm going to show you guys what I do. So I use my fingers and I just separate your hair. You don't need to have perfect parting with a comb because parting doesn't matter. You just want to ensure that you get a group of hair and then you start detangling. You start from the bottom of your hair and you detangle, working all the way to the root. You want to ensure that you're detangling this way, which number 1 makes it safe for your hair, and number 2, it does not hurt. If you detangle from the root down, as I showed you right here, you like crying. You like pain and you like hurting yourself. So please avoid that, because honestly, you guys don't understand that subconsciously, when you detangle your hair like this, you're not going to want to wash your hair ever again because you're going to remember how painful it was. But sometimes it's just our techniques. So I started from the bottom, worked our way up to our roots, and that's it. And then the second thing as I did was instead of me using a hair tie to separate what I've completed, I just twisted my hair. I think it's easier. It's something that can just stay in your hair until you're done. And I repeat the same technique over and over again. As you can see, when I start from the bottom, move my way up, it gets a little bit easier because I'm even in a section, I'm also sectioning smaller to take out the kinks as well. But honestly, guys, this gets easier. And the conditioner, God bless whoever invented conditioner, because it's a lifesaver on wash days. So ensure on wash days you have conditioner, because this is an essential. And I'm going back in with twisting. If you don't want to twist, you can also plait or braid, but I feel like twisting is the easiest because of what we're going to do right after. And as you can see, it's literally easier managing your hair if you section it. I'm sectioning it because I could never tackle on this afro of mine in one go just by running the comb through it. So with hair like this or similar, you have to work in sections. You cannot work just running the comb throughout the hair. We have to work in sections because we have to make it manageable and we have to target every single area so our hair is fully detangled. And you guys are going to see once I'm washing it out that my hair is so flat on my head because of how detangled it is. So I'm turning around so you guys can kind of see what's going on. And if you guys see me looking at the side, it's because I was trying to see myself in the rear view, so I'm in a frame for you guys. But as you can see, sometimes you are fighting with your hair. Let me know and comment down below, how do you feel about wash days? Do you like them? Is it a love-hate relationship? Does it start off dreadful, in the middle you accepted it, and at the end you're happy you completed it? Because I feel like that's for most people. See, I'm so happy because we're almost there. And if you're finding the video helpful so far, like the video, comment something so it can boost this video to others who would find it helpful. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. You guys have been constantly watching my videos and supporting me, and it means the world. You guys have been changing my life, and I'm so grateful. But I'm just showing you guys my curls are kicking back in. But as you know, wash day is a little bit rough. But I want to show you guys how much hair came out. It was a lot, but we're done. Do you guys see? Much more easier. So now I'm going to wash out the conditioner, and we're going to start wash day from the beginning. But as you can see, look how flat my hair is. My hair is completely detangled. It looks flat. It looks better. It looks healthier. It looks more moisturized. Hallelujah. Anyways, I'm washing out all the conditioner because I'm going to go in with the shampoo, and then I'm going to start my regular wash day. Go on my channel to watch my natural hair wash days. I have multiple, and if you want a wash day based on the season of the year, definitely look for that on my channel as well. But I'm just going through with the shampoo in my hair, detangling my hair completely. And as you can see, the comb goes through my hair so much more effortless, and it's easy. My hair is flat, it looks good, and I'm happy. Follow these same exact steps and your wash days will be so much easier. If you're doing your hair, someone else's hair, you're gonna thank me later. So as you can see, my hair is semi-dry and it looks so much better. I am happy because now I can style my hair and I won't be crying because I'm like, this is gonna take so long. Step number 1, get a wide tooth comb. Step number 2, make sure your hair is fully drenched and you're using a conditioner. Step number 3. Step number 4, ensure you're using the technique I showed you on how to detangle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like for more.